Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Taslima Art. It's really lovely to have you here. Do check out my other tutorial videos, and if you like them, please do share, subscribe and leave a comment to help me grow my art channel. So this week on the Fluid Art Express, I will be doing a reverse flower dip on a Payne's grey background on a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. Oh, I wish the sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh, why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head, the way you left broke my heart. I'm breathing the air of this morning, but it's not the same without you. Wearing the t-shirt you left, but it no longer smells like you do. I can't stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Pictures of you in my head, the way you left broke my heart. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh, why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head, the way you left broke my heart.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Cause nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. Yes, we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.
World that's left in the love that's gone silent. Can't look further ways cause we're just so blinded. Tell me to hear when I ask you to listen. We're on the same side, but you're making me the villain. Have I grown too comfortable? Thought we were unshakable, but when you started leaning on somebody else, I didn't know you. Gave me a sign, now my shoulders are closed. We're on thin ice, we're at each other's throats. What? We were so out of touch, so far, we're so far apart. Been way more than wrong. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. Yeah. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame, oh no, that we're playing this blame game. We were so out of touch, so out of touch, we're so far apart. Been way more than wrong. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting, not fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. You push me away and all that I tried to give
leave when you only take, you never seeing my shoes. But you don't accept it, we had a standstill. While you be building walls made of steel. Here we go, calling it quits so you can find someone to click with. Someone new fit, treat us like a business. Sharp tongue cut like a knife, this isn't us. I don't recognize the me that loves you, guess I'm done. Have I grown too comfortable?
So that's it from me this week, guys. Thank you for joining the Fluid Art Express. Please do stay with us because we've got Venom Fluid Art up next, along with our usual regulars, including creations by Christy, Shambi Fluid Art, Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art, and Hippie Dippy Painter Man. If you're on the live premieres, I hope to see you in the live chat. Take care.